Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Canada Knowledge Quest. So remember, our channel is about mathematics and engineering problems. So today we want to solve this Y question 2009. It's a YGC question. It's an integration, and we're going to solve this by what we call the substitution method. So first of all, we're going to say let U be this denominator. Let U equal to what? X plus 2. We'll call it substitution. So we'll substitute this for 2. Then we differentiate this with respect to x. The u of the x is what? 1. If I differentiate 2 with respect to x is 0. Then from here, because I call it substitution, I have to find the value of x from this expression. So if I make x the subject of formula, x will be equal to what? U minus 2. Now, this question, it has a dx here. Normally, all questions have dx here. So I have to make the x subject of formula 2. So if I cross multiply, I have the x must be equal to what? The u. So I can now substitute in the original expression. So integral of x is what? U minus 2 minus 1. X plus 2, remember, is we'll call it what? U. Then put our squared. The x is what? The u. Now we have all the variables in terms of what? U. So now we can now simplify this further. We can have u minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So we have integral u minus 3 over u squared du. Now we can split this fraction into smaller parts. How do we do that? You can say integral of u over u squared du minus, this is a integer, so we can bring it out like a constant in integration. So minus 3 integral of u 1 over u squared du. If I multiply 3 by 1, I'm going to have 3 over u squared, and the minus is here. So splitting this apart, if one u can cancel one u, I'll left to it. Integral of 1 over u du minus 3. From our law of indices, negative index, when I have 1 over something, it will be u into minus 2 du. Is it clear? Because remember, from our laws of indices that we have solved before, when I have negative index, it will be 1 over that thing. So now, you know the natural law, when you integrate 1 over something, it will give you the natural log of that thing, right? So this will be the ln of u minus 3. If I integrate this, I'm going to have multiply by u minus 2 plus 1. I'll do the same under into minus 2 plus 1. After integrating, I'm going to introduce my constant of integration plus c. Now, what do I do next? I've integrated this one. So I'm going to simplify this now. Simplifying this, I have ln u minus 3. This is a minus, right? So this is dot u into minus 1 over minus 1 plus c, right? Minus times minus will give us plus, remember. So ln u minus will give us plus 3 u raised to power minus 1. So from law of indices, I can still bring this 3 under, then the negative index will go. So let me put it somewhere here. So that it doesn't confuse you. So I have ln u plus 3 over u plus c. Always remember the constant of integration. And remember our substitution that we said let u be what? X plus 2. The answer is supposed to be in terms of x and not u. So I'll now say ln x plus 2 plus 3 over x plus 2 plus c. And this should be our answer. In our next video, we're going to use integration by partial fraction to solve this similar question to see if we're actually correct. If you found this video interesting, kindly do well to subscribe to our channel, follow our page, like, comment, share. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.